The American President Trump signs the document to suspend the visas H-1B L-1 till December 2020. Donald Trump suspended the H-1B L-1 and other temporary work permits, which he said that is aimed to protecting the local American workers who are facing the unemployment problem due to the spread of coronavirus. The decision made by Trump and his administration was blasted by the US tech industry, which it said that it would hurt the innovation and delay the recovery of the United States economy. Indians are worst affected because of this Trump's administration decision. Over 70% of the H-1B visas granted each year go to the Indians. Trump also blocked the seasonal workers on H-2B visas, with an exception for those in the food processing industry. As the major part of the new H-1B visas are allotted to Indians, the proclamation is a huge setback for Indians. All foreign nationals holding the valid visa or other US travel document will not be impacted even if they are outside the United States. So thus those having the valid visas, be it the primary visa holder or dependents such as spouse on H-4 visa but held up in India, can fly back. The ban comes into effect from June 24 and remains in place till December 31st, 2020 unless it is further extended. The H-1B cap lottery processes for the fiscal year 2020-2021 has been completed. So based on the today's proclamation, once the H-1B applications are approved, the employees will not be able to join in October but have to wait as this ban lasts till the end of the year. So the H-1B process is moving to merit-based system in future, said by the United States President Trump. And after his temporary suspension of H-1B visas, he proclaimed that the H-1B program will prioritize the workers who are offered the highest wage, ensuring that only highest skilled applicants are admitted. Moving to a merit-based immigration system. In a statement soon after the Trump issued the proclamation to temporarily suspend the H-1B and other work visas till the end of December, the Trump administration will reform the immigration system to prioritize the highest skilled workers and protect the American jobs. Subscribe to my channel for more updates.